In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new list in HubSpot effectively. Whether you're managing customer contacts or organizing potential leads, understanding how to create and customize lists is an indispensable skill. Let's dive into the process, which is simpler and more impactful than you might think. First, we'll begin by logging into HubSpot. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the main dashboard. From there, head over to the Contacts tab found at the top of your screen. When you hover over Contacts, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll select the Lists option. This section is your gateway to managing all your segmented contacts efficiently. Once you're in the List section, look for a button that says Create List. Clicking on this will prompt a window where you can choose between two types of lists, active or static. Let's pause here for a moment to understand these options. An active list constantly updates itself based on the criteria you set. This means as new contacts meet your specified filters, they are automatically added to the list. Conversely, a static list is created at a single point in time and doesn't change unless you manually add or remove contacts. Choosing between these two types largely depends on your needs, whether you want a dynamic list that evolves with your contacts or a fixed one for a specific purpose. With your decision made, it's time to use filters and criteria to customize your list. This step is crucial as it sets the parameters for who appears on your list. You could filter by contact properties, like job title or location, or perhaps by behavioral data, such as emails opened or forms submitted. The more precise your criteria, the more targeted your list will be, allowing you to focus your efforts where they matter most. After applying your desired filters, the next step is straightforward but important. Save and name your list. Naming conventions can be very helpful here. Consider using a name that is descriptive and indicates the purpose or contents of the list. This not only aids your own organization, but also makes it easier for team members to understand the intent of the list at a glance. Finally, once your list is saved, it's ready to be utilized. You can now incorporate this list into your marketing campaigns or workflows, whether it's sending a tailored email campaign, setting up a workflow that nurtures these contacts over time, or tracking engagement. The list you've created is now a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating lists in HubSpot. By following these instructions, you not only manage your contacts more effectively, but also enhance the precision and reach of your marketing activities. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial leaves you feeling confident in your list management skills within HubSpot.